Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you around Hartley Hall of Residence, one of the best student accommodations that I have stayed at. One of the things you must consider when you're looking for accommodation as a student is location. So this residence is near the main road. Here is the main road. We have a bus stop there and here. And actually, there is a bus that's going to the city center. So, from here, let's go to the residence. So here we are, guys. From the main road, it takes about 1 minute to walk to this residence. And when you secure a room here, you'll have the keys. Those keys will have a sensor, and you can use that sensor to go through that main gate in case you have a car or if you're driving. And if you are just a pedestrian or cycler like me, well, I do both. I do loads of things. Yeah, you can use this small gate. So let's get in. So why did I have to show you that? I showed you that because security is very important, especially for students. Apart from the security, we have a great parking. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We have this great parking for our cars. I don't know the owner of this car or this, but at least I have my car here. So this is my car, V6, and whenever I come in, I park it here. I also have a bike, and I'll show you where that is. The only problem with this area is I don't have a place where I can park my airplane. If you have a bike, we also have a place where you can safely keep your bike. There are so many students who are complaining that their bikes are being stolen at other places, but here, oh dear, this thing, if you don't have this, you can't access these bikes. So press here, then you open, and then park your bike here. This is my beautiful bike, which I got freely from my lab mate, William, and then my supervisor designed it to look beautiful blue. I love it. From here, let me go show you some of the gardens we do have. From the parking and showing you the security in this area, we are going to show you this area where you can come, play, sit, and have anything you might want. Ooh. I love the sunshine. I love the sunshine. So whenever it shines, I get my mat. I have a mat that I brought from Uganda. I bring my mat and sit here, have my fruits, call my family. Basically just be here basking in the sun. Another advantage about this area is nobody can see you from outside, and if your friends come in, there is a very big place that spans to the other side. If your friends come in, you can play soccer, you can play netball, volleyball, anything. Yeah, that's our videographer, Priya. She even lost her shoe. So from here, I am going to show you how the inside looks like. Now that we are going to go inside, I have to show you another layer of security we do have. This one. Without this, you can't enter. So you press here and you enter. There we go. So once you enter, look at this beautiful flower. Oh. So once you enter, we have two options of going upstairs. You can use the lift which is here, or you can use the steps. So what's the advantage of having the lift in here? There are, I think, too many things. One, if you are a fully able-bodied person and you come in with loads of suitcases, maybe 3 or 4, when they are heavy, you have the lift. So this solves all your problems. And if you are a disabled person, this lift takes you to any floor. We have 3 floors, 0, 1, and 2. And this lift reaches all those floors. So you can see that this hall is very accommodative. So this is the 0 floor or the ground floor, and all the parcels, when they come, they are placed here. So you will come and collect your parcels here in case you get a room in here. And from there, we shall go to the first floor. Such a beautiful view.
You forgot to park your car. You have it in your hand.
Yeah. I do not park my car outside. Yeah. I only park it when I'm outside. But when I'm going inside, my car has a parking in my room. So that's why I'm carrying it. So this is the second floor, and this is where I stay. So let me show you how it looks like. I'm very sure the setting is the same on all the floors. So let's enter. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the beautiful lounge. It's really small, and it's not so used by students. So if you're a person who loves, spending some time out of your room, this place is always here for you. From the lounge, I'm going to show you how our kitchen looks like. It looks like a restaurant. I love that. This is our kitchen, and when you come here, you get a cupboard where you can keep your stuff, and a locker where you can lock your expensive ingredients. If you think that you have really expensive ingredients, you can lock them in here. But honestly, here I've been here for over 6 months. I've never experienced anybody taking my stuff. And we have our oven, we have our washing machine, and we have washing machine, I mean the utensils washing machine. And then everybody has a special
Dishwasher.
Thank you. Oh, Priya is on the camera, so she helps me with most of the things when my brain gets stuck. So thank you, Priya. And here in the middle, we have the cookers. We have lots of cookers. So there's no way you're gonna tell me the kitchen is so busy. Everybody has a space where you can cook. You can go there, you can come here, or you can go to this end. So when I sit here and I have my meal, it gives me a restaurant vibe. Yeah, that's why I love having my meals in the kitchen. So after showing you the kitchen, I will show you the laundry. Yes, so we came from this side, now we are going this side. This is our beautiful hallway, and what I love about this is the ability to see this area. This area is so beautiful. Oh my God. And we have the washing machine and the dryer you can use for free of charge. At other places, you have to pay to use the washing machine, but here you can wash anything, anytime at a zero cost. Isn't that so good? From here, let's go see our rooms. All these are our rooms, and if you haven't watched the video showing how the rooms look like inside, here we go. And here is my room. So I will park my car and then we proceed. So this area is not commonly used, but whenever there is any alarm in terms of fire, you will use this route and come down here. So in case of fire alarm, you just have to push here and then go and assemble outside there. Yeah, that's how our residence looks like. And the other things that I have loved about this location so far include the price. For our contract, we have been paying £473 per month, and that includes bills. So if you're moving to any area, the first thing you must consider is, are bills included or not? Why? This is because one of the most expensive things in the UK is the heating system. So during winter, your bill might increase by about £200 or £300, depending on your heating system. So put that into consideration. The other thing I loved about this accommodation is the heating system. It's free of charge. You turn it on or off 24/7. I love that. I come from Uganda, a tropical country, so we get exposure to the sun throughout the year. About 20 degrees, 21, so we don't have winter. So I am allergic to winter. So the heating system solves all my problems because it's fully functional. Then the last thing I can say is about Tamim as a responsible manager. Tamim is the manager of this building, and any complaint or anything that I've told Tamim, or Tamim, I need this, I need this, he has responded, he has listened. There are landlords whom you talk to and say, hey, this is not functional, and they take months without fixing it. The moment there is any problem in your room, you tell Tamim it's gonna be fixed within that time he's mentioned. So I love him being responsible for that. And if there is any fire alarm or anything, he sends emails to all residents to tell them what has happened, from which room and why it's happened. That's being responsible, so we know the major inducers of fire alarms and then we avoid them. So that's all I can say about this accommodation. I loved it. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much, Priya, for taking this video. We really appreciate you. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Like every YouTuber would say.